Welcome to Yuki's Kitchen. Today, we will be making okra natto bowl using scallops from Hokkaido. Let's get started. This time, we will be using okra harvested from Kuna Farm. First, remove the stems from the okra. Sprinkle salt over the okra, rub it on a cutting board to improve the texture. Boil it in hot water for about 1 minute and soak it in ice water. Okra is a nutritious green vegetable rich in calcium, potassium, dietary fiber, as well as vitamins and beta-carotene. It is one of my favorite vegetables. Remove the moisture from the okra and cut it into rings. Here are the Hokkaido scallop. The scallops from Hokkaido are large, thick, sweet, and delicious. They are best enjoyed raw because they are fresh. In 2023, China and Russia have imposed an import ban on seafood from Japan. As a result, fresh and delicious scallops have become available even in Okinawa. Moreover, they are inexpensive and delicious, costing about $2.60 400 yen for 6. Natto is usually sold in sets of 3 packs. Natto is a traditional Japanese food, made by adding natto bacteria to boiled soybeans and fermenting them. It is characterized by a unique smell and sticky threads. In Japan, it is often eaten for breakfast as a health food. It is said that the more you mix natto, the tastier it becomes. Mix natto, scallops, shiso leaves, and okra together, then add natto sauce. Next, prepare the vinegar rice. Mix 2 cups of rice with 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of vinegar, then let it cool. Place the ingredients on top of the rice. Then, add scallops and wasabi. Sprinkle chopped seaweed on top. Finally, pour soy sauce over it and it's ready to serve. If you enjoy this video, just hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Arigato, bye bye.